Hi, today I'm part of T-MOBILE Revvl 6 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, let's open notification panel shortcuts, and if you want to add here some icons, remove some of them, or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon. And now here in this down section we can see all of the invisible icons. If you want to add them to your notification panel here, you should just hold the icon and then drag it here to this up section. By the same way, you can remove some of the icons from here. Just hold and drag it to the down, and to change the positions of the icons, just by the same way, hold and then drag it. To save the changes, you should just click here to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.